Assalamu alaikum students. I am your science teacher Rabia Iftikhar. I hope you all are doing amazing at home and you all are enjoying your summer holidays as well. So summer holidays means holiday homework as well. So I am here to discuss with you all summer holidays homework of science. So without further ado, take out your vacation work and open the holiday homework of science. When you will open the holiday homework of science, this page will be visible. So let's see what's inside summer holiday of science. Page 1 consists of fill in the blanks. Like you have to solve fill in the blanks very carefully. First of all, try to solve it with your pencil, lead pencil, and then after the confirmation of answers, rewrite it with your ink pen. Same with the labeling of diagrams. You have to name and label the diagram. It means that you have to mention that which diagram you are labeling, and then you have to label the various parts of diagram. This is the task, and I will advise you to do it with lead pencil first and then with your ink pen to avoid any grammatical and any spelling mistakes. Then encircle the correct answer is also waiting for you in your summer vacation work, and you have to solve it very keenly and very carefully. Like you have to encircle the answer. Don't tick or underline the correct answer, just encircle the correct answer or most appropriate answer, and you can seek help from your book and you can explore your knowledge as well. So that would be very easy. I know you all can do this. Then it consists of short answers. This page has 5 short answers and you have to answer them accordingly. Don't prolong your answer or exceed your answer. Just write it to the point answer to avoid any mistakes. Then another page has some short answers for you. You have to answer them to the point and don't beat about the bush. Try to be very precise and very minimal in your answer, as these are short answers, and try to avoid your spelling mistakes as well. So this is the most interesting part of your summer vacation. This is basically an activity of science. You can seek help from internet or you can ask from your teacher as well, as it's very easy. In class 7 you have studied about machines and gears, so that's all about it. So this is the last activity of science or the last page of your holiday homework, and these are basically riddles. These are science riddles, so you can explore your brain, you can explore your knowledge, or you can explore internet as well. So I hope that would be very easy for you all. So enjoy your holidays and do your homework as well. So take care. Allah Hafiz.